Hey gadget lovers! Did you know the global toy and gadget market is set hit $483 billion by 2030? Good thing you're here, because today we're unveiling 5 wildly fun gadgets you didn't know your life was missing. All links are in the description, but first, let's jump into the chaos. First up, the Gel Blaster Starfire XL. Think of it as paintball's glow-in-the-dark cousin with an attitude problem. This beast fires 1,000 water beads up old dats, 250 feet per second. And when the sun dips, switch the UV activator, turn your shots into neon light shows. With 3 firing modes, and even has 4 hours of battery life, it's like Nintendo Switch for grown-ups, if Nintendo involved ambushes. Rated 4 out of 6 stars on GadgetsPrimer.com. It's war, but make it artsy. Next, for those of us who think shower concerts deserve stadium lighting, this karaoke machine is here flex. Boasting the chart-topping rating of 4.8 on GadgetsPrimer.com, this monster packs 1000 W speakers, dual mics, and it rolls away like Rockstar's late with wheels. The built-in 15-inch tablet lets you cue up Bohemian Rhapsody on loop, no judgment, while the DJ lights make your living room feel like Coachella if Coachella served cheap nachos. Switching gears, introducing the Point Games hockey table. Tiny hands meet big fun with this 20-inch 3-in-1 arcade smash-up, hockey, foosball, and ping pong. You know those family game nights that end in tears? This one buys you 3 tiers worth of fun. GadgetsPrimer.com rates it 4 stars, making it the MVP of Living Room Olympics for toddlers and teens who've mastered the art of dramatic losses. Now, for the pranksters, the prank device that beeps. For 3 years, hide it under desks, inside flower pots, or even your boss's stapler, and enjoy the chaos as it chirps, screeches, or mimics crickets at random intervals. With its portability hiding an embarrassing 4-star rating on GadgetsPrimer.com, this is less au-fait gag gift and more au-fait psychological endurance test. Last but most shocking, Shocktato. It's hot potato meets electric boogaloo. Pass it fast or get zapped. Ranked 4 stars on GadgetsPrimer.com. This potato doesn't care about your reflexes or dignity, making it the ultimate party game for teens who'd rather scream than sing karaoke, non-lane mode, of course. And there you have it. 5 gadgets guaranteed inject chaos, tunes, or fake cricky minsada your life. For price comparisons and more wild finds, head Pebsekurai Gadgets, Primer.com right now. Smash that subscribe button, and until next time, keep your gadgets charged and your pranks harmless. Ish.